Even a small failure can lead to major consequences. At Ambetronics Engineers, we design intelligent gas monitoring and safety solutions that industries trust every day.
Hi, Sanjay and Pri from Pvt Engineers. We have been using Ambetronics gas leak sensors for the past few years across multiple sites. We have installed their systems at customers like US Vitamin, Lemken India, JSW, Aditya Birla Group, BASF, IIT, and many of the lab-grown diamond industries. The product quality is reliable, deliveries are on time, and their service support is very supportive. We are happy with their overall performance. Confidently recommend Ambetronics for gas safety solutions.
Backed by decades of engineering excellence, Ambetronics is trusted across oil and gas, manufacturing, utilities, and infrastructure. Because when safety is done right, people can focus on what matters most. Ambetronics Engineers, precision that protects.